नमस्कार देशवासियों, welcome to Two Thoughts. We are here to give you our thoughts. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the legend of online marketing. नाम तो कहीं सुना होगा, जेफ बेजोस.
Hey, you. Don't look at her. Look at him. Okay, without making any delay, let's get started with the quick brief history of Amazon. It was founded in 1994. By understanding the value of internet, he collected 20 potential products which were selling through mail, and he landed on books. He started his online book selling platform from his garage. It was a hard beginning. It became a biggest book selling business. Later they came to electronics. Now, as you know, Amazon is everywhere. Amazon.com, Amazon Prime, Amazon Pay, Amazon Logistics, Amazon Pharmacy, Amazon Alexa, Amazon Go, Amazon Web Services, Amazon. It simply itself says A to Z accessories. कौन रे? Oh, the benchmark of online business.
Why Amazon is so successful? Are you not interested? Let's study about that. It is because of data mining. So, what is data mining? The data mining means collection of huge data and discovering the pattern and correlation to predict the future. What is this? Hey, I'm not understanding. No need to worry. Let's understand this with an example. When you are ordering the food through Zomato, when you are purchasing something from Amazon, when you are paying something through Paytm, where you are entering the all the data of you, like mobile number, email ID, address, and so on. So with that, they will be understand about the behavior of the consumer and demand of the particular product, purchasing power of consumer, credit card details, and so on. So this whole collection of data is called data mining. The whole data, where it will be stored, it is in cloud. A cloud nahi ra baba. When you are searching for the dog from the Google, you will get the picture of dog. When you are searching for the Wikipedia, you are getting Wikipedia. When you are searching for application from the Play Store, you are get app. From where it is coming? Again, it is from cloud. The simple understanding, the Google Photos, where it will be stored, it is in cloud. The cloud is it is not a satellite, it is not stored in satellite. The cloud is the hard disk, the collection of hard disk. Why people are going for the cloud? Because in the earlier period, people used to maintain their own server, where it required huge cost and frequent maintenance. In cloud, it is as good as you are turning on the you switch on the fan, and you need not worry about from where the electricity or power is coming from. You need to pay the bill, that's it. Same way in cloud, you need to pay the rent, no need to worry about where it is stored. Okay, example for web service providers are Amazon Web Services, Google, and Alibaba, one more, that is GoDaddy, and there are many, etc. So one of the leading web service provider is Amazon.
Yeah, now you understood what is data mining. You might be wondering how Amazon mines data with this. There are many companies which stores data with Amazon, like Netflix, Paytm, Swiggy, FirstCry, Hotstar, and BookMyShow, etc. By this, Amazon can understand the business model, the network trafficking, which company is doing good, all this data. It collects all this data. Not only with this, but also in other business of the Amazon, it collects data. And what they will do with this data? Let's have a case study. Before going to case study, one disclaimer statement. It's purely based on our opinion. Friends, the statement we make in this video is highly fictitious. Any resemblance to any person is highly coincidental. We bear no responsibility for the same. Okay guys, let's go to the case study. Yeah, first one, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Hotstar. Netflix registered with Amazon in 2008, and Hotstar also registered with Amazon Web Services. Amazon might have collected data from Netflix and Hotstar. By analyzing the business model, which language is doing good, which movies are going well, by analyzing all of this data, Amazon might came to India in 2016. Amazon came with Amazon Prime, and now Netflix uska to वाट लगा दिया. Yeah, second one is Swiggy and Amazon. Swiggy stores data with Amazon Web Services. Amazon might have analyzed the food taste of the consumers based on the locations, buying power, customer preferences, and the business model of Swiggy. By understanding all of this, by collecting all data from Swiggy, Amazon started Amazon Food Delivery. It has already started its food delivery business in Bangalore. And yeah, there is no difficult for Amazon in food delivery business because it has very strong delivery channel in India. By analyzing these two cases, we can understand how data is mined in modern days.
Let's go for the litigation. Amazon versus Future Group of Company. Indirectly, Amazon versus Reliance Group of Company. So let's have a crux about the litigation. So Reliance Group of Company acquired the properties, all the properties of Future Group of Company, and it was running smoothly. Future Group in a sense, Big Bazaar and all. So it was running smoothly, and later twist came into picture. Amazon gave a legal notice to the Future Coupon, which is a subsidiary of Future Group of Company, and Amazon acquired 49% of the stake of Future Coupon in 2019, almost 3% of the stake of Future Group of Company, with the agreement not to sell to the some list of companies. Reliance is one among them. Then the case went to Singapore Arbitral Tribunal, and finally the case went in the favor of Amazon. By this, we can understand the vision of Amazon in India. And one more thing, that is Amazon Basics. Amazon already started its manufacturing and selling the product which is tagged with the Amazon brand in online website, which will be competitor to the Amazon seller who are selling in the Amazon website. Thank you for watching.
Hey, it's quite common now. We forget to say please like, share and subscribe because we know you will never forget. Yeah, by this video you understood the value of technology. Update yourself with the technology. If you are outdated, you will be short. Thank you for watching.